You're not even your spirit. Yeah? What are you if you're not those three things? I mean, you are those things, but there's a higher order that keeps those three in relation to one another and harmonized and integrated, and is also beyond all those things.
Consciousness?
Yes, exactly. Your awareness, your consciousness. So it's both a temporary container that's, here for a X number of years, breaking down, needing repair, needing maintenance, and it's also a sacred temple at the same time. That's the paradox of it. So yoga isn't to make, to give you, more defined curves or better muscular structure or to look good. That's a byproduct of it, And it's not neither is it a so it's not just to look good. Neither is it yoga isn't a way to kind of stretch and relax, go to your stretch and relax class or an aerobics class or whatever. What we're working to do is to increase our capacity to handle more stress, if you like, to bring more into our life. What do you think that is? That's an invitation, isn't it? Come on then, let's have you. Let's go. Let's get. Let's transform. Let's process. Let's burn this karma. Let's invite it in, so we can finish with it. Because ultimately, the goal is Jivan Mukta, means dead while alive. So, material world, you're here to serve as a sacrifice to others because there's no interest for you anymore. It doesn't mean you can't. This is another paradox, really. It doesn't mean you can't enjoy it and, absolutely marvel at it. And actually, when you get to that place, of course, it's all a marvel and it's all a joy. But you're not here. You, as terms of your personality and your likes and dislikes and your preferences and your projections and your hopes and that's all over. Yeah, that's called Jivan Mukta. Okay, it's difficult to even it's kind of quite an abstract term, maybe, or abstract even to think that could be possible. But that's these teachings would say that ideal is that you finish the job this time round. You don't have to come back again. You merge back permanently. You don't incarnate again. Okay?
Yeah, the thought of doing it all again.
Is good or not good? See, for some people, it's like the attachment is, I didn't get to be, Ronaldo or something, so I want to come back and next time round, because they're still attached to that. Yeah, I was only used to play at club level, and I want to come back and be the star of the show, and that can be a strong attachment, of course. Regret, all of that kind of thing. So Jivan Mukta is moved a long way beyond that. You're grateful for any and every situation, equally grateful for any and every situation. So that's the job. So that's the paradox. It's that we need to maintain it, because at the same time that it's just, gravity's doing its work and things are sagging, and I try not to look at anyone when I say that. And then, it's just like, there's this gravity is working against us, right? What's the why are we pulling on the root lock? And because we're trying to meet with, we're trying to keep this elevation. Yeah, because it's tough. If you get to middle age especially, and then, you haven't got you're not spirit orientated. It's because the material pull is getting stronger, you're closer to death. So, just quickly, I'll show you, this might help. I'm going to draw a couple of times.